What emotionally intelligent people do differently during conflict? Conflict is a normal part of every relationship. The difference is not whether conflict happens, but how you handle it. In this episode, you'll learn the habits emotionally intelligent people use during disagreements and discover 9 practical steps to communicate more effectively, strengthen relationships, and resolve conflict with respect. 1. Why conflict is not the real problem. Many people believe healthy relationships never have disagreements. That is not true. Every relationship experiences conflict. Friends disagree. Couples argue. Families misunderstand one another. Colleagues have different opinions. Conflict itself is not the problem. The real problem is how people respond to it. Some people shout. Some avoid difficult conversations completely. Some become defensive. Others attack the person's character instead of addressing the issue. Emotionally intelligent people understand that conflict can either damage a relationship or strengthen it. Handled well, conflict creates understanding, builds trust, improves communication, and helps people grow together. 2. They pause before reacting. Emotionally intelligent people know that their first emotional reaction is not always their best response. When emotions become intense, they pause. They take a slow breath. They allow themselves time to think before speaking. This small pause reduces the chance of saying something they will later regret. Responding calmly is often more powerful than reacting immediately. 3. They listen to understand. Most people listen with one goal: to prepare their reply. Emotionally intelligent people listen for a different reason. They want to understand. They allow the other person to finish speaking. They ask questions. They clarify what they have heard. Simple phrases such as, "Can you help me understand what you mean?" Or, "So what I'm hearing is," can completely change the direction of a difficult conversation. People become less defensive when they feel heard. 4. They manage their emotions. Being emotionally intelligent does not mean never feeling angry. It means recognizing those emotions without allowing them to take control. When emotions begin to rise, they notice the signs. Their breathing changes. Their voice becomes louder. Their muscles become tense. Instead of ignoring these signals, they slow themselves down before continuing the conversation. Managing emotions creates space for better decisions. 5. They focus on solving the problem. Emotionally intelligent people avoid turning disagreements into personal attacks. Instead of asking, "Who is right?" they ask, "What is the best solution?" They stay focused on the issue, not the person's character. This keeps the conversation productive instead of destructive. 6. They communicate with respect. Respect does not disappear simply because people disagree. Emotionally intelligent people avoid insults, avoid sarcasm, avoid shouting, and avoid bringing up unrelated mistakes from the past. Instead, they say, "I felt disappointed when that happened." Or, "I see this situation differently." Respectful language makes difficult conversations much easier to resolve. 7. They take responsibility for their part. No one handles every conflict perfectly. Emotionally intelligent people are willing to admit when they made a mistake. They apologize sincerely. They avoid making excuses. They ask, "What could I have done differently?" Taking responsibility builds trust. It shows maturity and encourages the other person to do the same. 8. They know when to take a break. Some conversations become too emotional to solve immediately. Instead of forcing the discussion to continue, emotionally intelligent people suggest taking a short break. This is not about avoiding the problem. It is about returning to the conversation with a calmer mind. A 20-minute break can often prevent hours of unnecessary arguing. 9. They look for solutions that benefit everyone. Conflict should not always produce winners and losers. Whenever possible, emotionally intelligent people look for solutions that respect everyone's needs. They are willing to compromise. They stay open to new ideas. They understand that preserving the relationship is often more valuable than winning the argument. 10. A final message. Conflict will always be part of life. But it does not have to damage your relationships. Every disagreement gives you a choice. You can react with anger or respond with wisdom. You can defend your pride or protect the relationship. The next time conflict appears, pause before speaking. Listen carefully. Stay respectful. Focus on solutions. And remember, emotional intelligence is not measured by how calm you are when life is easy. It is measured by how wisely you respond when life becomes difficult.